Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Change Data Capture events in Salesforce. This powerful feature allows you to track changes to your Salesforce records in real time, making it easier to sync data with external systems or trigger automated workflows whenever important information gets updated. To get started, look towards the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all the administrative settings and configurations within Salesforce. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Setup. This will take you into the Salesforce Setup area, which is where you'll manage all your organization's settings, integrations, and customizations. The Setup area might seem extensive at first, but we'll navigate it efficiently. Now that you're in Setup, you'll notice a Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. This search tool is incredibly helpful for quickly locating specific features without having to browse through multiple menus. In the Quick Find box, type in Change Data Capture. As you start typing, Salesforce will begin filtering the available options to match your search. Once Change Data Capture appears in the filtered results, click on it. This will open the Change Data Capture configuration page, where you can select which objects you want to monitor for data changes. This is the heart of the setup process, as it determines exactly what records Salesforce will track. On the Change Data Capture page, you'll see two columns. On the left, you'll find Available Entities, which lists all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org that can be monitored. On the right, you'll see Selected Entities, which shows the objects you've chosen to track. To enable change tracking, you need to move objects from the Available Entities column to the Selected Entities column. For example, if you want to track changes to account records, locate Account in the Available Entities list and select it. Then use the arrow button between the columns to move it over to Selected Entities. You can select multiple objects if you need to monitor changes across different record types. After you've moved all the objects you want to track, click Save. This will activate Change Data Capture for the selected entities. Salesforce will now begin publishing change events whenever records in these objects are created, updated, deleted, or undeleted. These events can then be consumed by external applications or internal processes to keep your system synchronized. And that's it. You've successfully configured Change Data Capture events in Salesforce, giving you real-time visibility into critical data changes across your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.